There, goodness, man, getting started. Oop, I got the enricher circuit on still. I think I need that, it's nice out. So we got Memorial Day 2021, doing a motorcycle ride, and it's gorgeous. Oh, I forgot to set up the phone to record, oh well. And I'm trying my tank bag strapped to the sissy bar instead of on the tank with the main recorder body in it. So hopefully you get one, better placement, and two, it doesn't get near as much mechanical noise as when it's bolted to the tank. But that also means I had to redo my power cord from my camera. I think I've got enough fuel to get me to Nashville. Ah, it's glorious. I'm still annoyed. I went through and did kind of a motovlog around the lake last week, and the audio portion, I keep experimenting with my setup, and I need to quit because I found one that works and I just need to use it. It's just kind of a hassle to set up. I'm trying to find something that's easy to set up because I don't, if I just want to take the bike somewhere, I'm not going to wire up for a video. Swear, I need two bikes, one for videos and one for just poking around. First world problems. Finally. Swear, this intersection is weird. You were thinking about going, weren't you? Ah, there we go. Getting some movement, boys. Oh, I hope my little mic cable's not dragging the wheel or something frustrating. That'd be embarrassing. I have no profound thoughts whatsoever. This may turn into a Just Ride video. We'll see. It might turn into story time with Squisher. We never know. Never know when inspiration strikes. Or it might turn into a lesson on how to minimize your fuel economy as opposed to maximize your fuel economy. Although minimizing is easy. Take this little hand on the right, and you just do this the whole time. And your fuel economy goes down. Your fun factor might go up a bit, but your fuel economy goes down. Yeah, go on 135. 135 is like my favorite highway these days. What is wrong with my balaclava? It's pulled funny. There we go, that's better. Ah, that's more like it. As I hit my camera cable. Turn left onto Indiana 135 South. Favorite ways to go. Oh, I'll try to keep any... Oh, hi, puppy. Pretty doggy. Aw. Oh, you're gonna make me play chicken with him, are you? You'll be alright. Try to keep the voice content down on the first half of the ride, because I go down this road all the time. Maybe I'll time lapse it. That was weird. Ooh, I have an idea. Hold still. There. My magnetic stylus pen to the rescue. Dude! Jeez. Rawr. Oh my gosh, this feels good out here today. It's like 70 flat, maybe 73, something in that range, with sun, not a lot of humidity, hardly any breeze. Oh lordy, that is a big beast of a car. Get that on the stick. The bike is digging this cool air. It is raring to go. I'm gonna bomb through Trafalgar here at high rates of speed if I'm not careful. I need to post my Streamlab tips link. Set me a goal, give me another GoPro, so I can do the handlebar or some other cool angle at the same time. I've got some cool mounting spots. I've had it mounted down here before. Don't think anybody can see that, but down behind the fork. Got one little Motovlog where I put it down there. I thought that was really cool. I'd love to mount a couple of cameras and then go for like a shorter ride and get, you know, my angle behind the front wheel, maybe one facing backwards, one facing me, you know. This will be a good test ride for the multi-destination feature of Google Maps. Turning here. I'm not turning here. Turning a little farther down. Spearsville Road. I am not going in front of them, but I think I can go in front of that RV. Oh yeah, they're way back there. Okay. Yeah, we're off the main highway. I can talk now. So I'm thinking about, I do, obviously, anybody paid any attention to what goes on my channel has been seeing, it's been a couple of months now, of Twitch content coming in. So I switched from Twitch Studio to Streamlabs OBS software, Open Broadcasting, and those haven't hit YouTube just yet. Their YouTube is about a month behind, but you know, it's what it is. And with Streamlabs, you can set up an account through them. One, you can pay them monthly and get a bunch of stuff. I'm not paying them a monthly because I don't make any money at this yet, so that seems kind of silly. But they do give me a PayPal tip link. So I should probably put that up on my YouTube channel also, because why not? Because I would like to get some more cameras. Well, at least one. I don't know about plural. Having more than, I think having more than one camera is going to start getting kind of a racket in terms of one guy trying to keep them all straight. But I'd love to be able to, ooh, that is a neat little setup out there. I'd love to be able to do more than one camera angle on a ride. Because right now I have one, and most of the time, well, all but like one time, basically, or two, one or two times, I've had the camera on my helmet. Because if I see something cool, I can turn my head towards it, and the rest of y'all can see. Okay, I do not have a red light, or stop sign. Sorry. Paranoia keeps the rubber on the road. Oh, this is cool. I love this. This is so neat. So, you know, for Motovlog, type content like I'm trying to do now, I think it'd be pretty awesome to have a camera basically where my phone sits, so I can gesticulate a la Flipknot and Shade Tree Surgeon. Although I don't think Shade Tree uses the second camera. He usually just got the one right here, and he's like, oh! That's kind of his thing. I'm not a screamer, necessarily. If you hear me screaming, something bad's happening. But I think that'd be fun. Or just having a second one to have the flexibility. Because one of my favorite camera angles as at least a secondary angle is like when I had it magnetically mounted right behind the head bearing, steering stem there. Ooh, that's cool. Pay attention. And you could see the front suspension do its thing. And I guess I'm a little easily amused, perhaps. But I always thought it was really cool, like in race cars or lots of motorsports in general, they cut to a camera angle that showed the tire and the suspension. You could see the suspension moving up and down on, at least for a short cut of a little bit of almost B-roll footage. I always thought that was really cool. So I'd love to do something like that on this, be able to put one down there, or face to the rear, or face me, depending on what kind of video I want to make. Oh, no, I'm not going to arrive, but that's okay. Oh yeah, I've got like cherry-picked a couple of random spots on the map. I'm having Google Maps guide me around. And it looks like I'm going to go left on that, whatever road that is, which is going to be like right here. Ah, that's probably the destination I picked. Dangerous intersection. Well, that stinks. I don't want dangerous intersections. It says go left, huh? Anybody behind me? Okay, good. We're going to hit this button. Continue. We'll go left. So I'm hitting some roads I have never ridden on before, which is one of my favorite kinds of road. That is literally my favorite road to ride on, is one I've never seen. And that sun makes that useless. It's awesome. But yeah, if I can make some dough, I could... Am I turning here? No, not here. Although that also looks like... that's pretty straight and flat. Oh, this is cool. I like this. Sorry, turn up my music so I can hear the directions. I think I'm turning here. Okay. Ooh, this is cool. Anyway, if I can get generous people... Oh, that's sketchy. Huh. That was sketchy. But if I can get some generous folks and put out my little coin cup, maybe I can buy some more equipment. It'll benefit the YouTube. It'll, depending on what it is, probably even benefit the Twitch stream for the people that watch that. All of that. I promise whatever I get, I will not spend responsibly. I like this road. Aside from the sketchiness and the chip and seal, I like this road. Heaven help me if someone's coming from the other way.